Hello guys, welcome. So in this video I'll show you how to use weak file permission setup in /etc password to escalate privilege. The weak file permission means that this /etc PSSWD file is actually writable. Though it's readable on all the system, we cannot write it in most of them. But if it is misconfigured, then we can just generate a new hash and we can just write the hash in etc password. So system kind of actually checks /etc PSSWD for password hashes first, then shadow file. Let's check if the etc PSSWD file is writable or not. Okay, we can see here that the etc PSSWD file is actually writable. RW in older version of Linux system, actually the password hashes were stored in this /etc PSSWD file, but now they are actually stored in etc shadow. Okay, now let's generate a new password hash. To do that, I will use mkpsswd -m to give the hash mode. So I will use SSA 512 mode. You can just generate MD5 also or simpler hashes. Let me generate a MD5 password this time. Okay, then the password name. So I will use act system as the password. Okay, generated MD5 password. Okay, let's first copy this password hash. Let me edit the PSSWD file. So we kind of need to add our password hash between these two uh, columns. So in this section where there is X, okay, let me delete it. So we have to paste the hash in here. Okay, so I pasted the hash within the two colon signs. Okay, let me save it. Now let's try to su to root. Let me copy it and just paste it. Control Shift C, Control Shift P. Okay, now we actually escalated the privilege. Now we are root user. So that's how you can just use writable /hcc/psswd file to write your own password hash and just get root access into this. Okay, this much in this video. So hope to see you in next one. Okay, bye.